How to open TD Bank checking account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can open a checking account on TD Bank, so make sure to watch the video till the end. There are many ways to creating a bank account on TD Bank. You can either visit the nearest branch yourself, fill out a form and then go ahead and then create your bank account, or if you don't have time then you can also apply for a bank account online, and afterwards only for verification purposes you have to visit the bank. And to do this, first of all, just come to td.com and then you're going to land on this page, which is the official website. Depending upon whether you're from the US or Canada, you can click the flag icon and select US if you're from the US, or Canada if you're from the Canada. Once you're here on this page, right here you'll see the products tab. Click on products and then just go to the option known as bank accounts. Once you go to bank accounts, over here you can say TD checking and savings bundle. So basically here you have different types of accounts that TD banks offer you. So there is one of these accounts that is basically called TD unlimited checking account. You can simply apply for this account, or there are many of the other ones that you can browse through as well, depending upon what kind of checkings or savings or maybe even general account that you want. You want to make sure to just click the continue option here. Once you click the continue option, on the next specific page you'll be able to select, before applying consider adding a savings account to it or overdraft protection service. So depending upon whether you want to also add savings account into it, you can do that. Otherwise you can just go ahead and then click the add and continue option from the bottom of the screen. Once you've done this process, on the next specific page it is going to take a couple of minutes to load up. It will ask you for a couple of other information such as your legal details. I want you to simply make sure to enter your legal details in this case, because later on it will also ask you for a verification, and if your name on the documents does not match the legal documents, then in that case your bank account will not get verified. Once the new page loads up, you'll be able to go ahead and then just select get started option here. Once you select the get started option, on the next specific page it will also ask you to fill those forms. So make sure to fill in all these forms, click the continue option and then approve your transactions, and then your bank account or your checkings account for TD Bank will get successfully created. And that's it for today's video on how you can go ahead and then basically apply for TD Bank checking account online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.